In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tax in Zoho Books. Quick Setup 2025. To get started, open your browser and head to Zoho's website. On the homepage, look to the top right and click Sign In. In the Sign In window, enter the email address you use for Zoho, click Next, then type your password. Finally, click Sign In to continue. If your account uses multi-factor authentication, complete that prompt before moving on. Once you're in, you'll see the Zoho Home dashboard. From here, select Books to open Zoho Books. If you manage more than one organization, make sure you're in the correct company file before you continue. Inside Zoho Books, glance up to the top corner of the screen for the gear-shaped settings icon. Click that to open the settings area. On the settings page, locate the section labeled Taxes and Compliance and choose Taxes. Depending on your view, you may need to click Taxes again to enter the tax rate screen. That's the place where all your active tax rates live. Next, create a new tax. Click New Tax, and a form will appear. Start by giving your tax a clear, descriptive name, something that makes it obvious when you're selecting it on an invoice or bill. For example, you might use a regional code or the official tax name your tax authority uses. Below the name, enter the tax rate as a percentage. You can type whole numbers or decimals like 7 or 7.5, and Zoho will calculate the amounts automatically on your transactions. If your jurisdiction requires a compound tax, check the compound option. A compound tax means a second tax is calculated on top of the first, rather than only on the item's subtotal. Only enable this if your local rules specify it, otherwise leave it unchecked. When everything looks correct, click Save. Your new tax will now appear in the active list and can be applied to items, invoices, estimates, and bills. If you don't see it immediately on a transaction, confirm that the transaction's customer or vendor has the right tax preferences and that your organization's country and tax settings are configured correctly. That's it. Your tax is set up and ready to use. For best results, double-check the naming and rate to match your official guidance, and keep your tax list tidy so your team picks the right one every time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next quick setup.